Hey friends, WordPress is a great source to create professional websites. And in this video, we are going to watch how we can launch our tour and travel, destination travel or tour booking website in just few minutes. Yes, so these can be our target website layouts and all these layouts are very professionally created. So you can see the booking options directly on the home, and this is again check-in checkout option with the tour booking options. This is for adventure tourism and destination tour, and further the adventure tourism, and yes, so two rectangles. So we have multiple layouts with the theme that we are going to use in this video, and we are going to create a demo website using the theme called Goyoto, and it is a perfect theme for travel and travel booking websites. So let us first install this theme and create a demo website like any of these, and we are going to discuss the rest of the things all about the Goyoto WordPress theme in this video only. So if you are serious about creating a website for tour and travel industry, this video can be really helpful for you. And there are many other videos on this channel itself that can show you the most wonderful WordPress themes for tour and travels websites. So you can compare others as well, but we are mainly focused on Goyoto in this video. So let us start. I have this core and trace installation of WordPress, and it is using the default 2025 WordPress theme. I am using the cPanel based hosting plan. As always, you can avail all these things for your website through the video description links, and you can simply install the WordPress core using this WordPress Manager by Softaculous, which remains available with all cPanel or HPanel based hosting plan. And in the theme pack, I got this installable theme file, which is just 2.6 MB in size, which is indication of very optimized WordPress theme. The documentation, one plugin, main plugin, core plugin, licensing parts are also here. So we are going to use this goyoto.zip file for our installation. Installation is going to be simple, but yes, we need to follow the exact steps, and you don't need any technical knowledge for doing all these things. Even you don't need any developer assistance, right? So to start, we can go to the appearance section, and here we can add new theme, upload theme. Here we need to choose the installable theme file, that is goyoto.zip. Simply select this, click on install now. It will hardly take few seconds depending upon your host speed. So it is always recommended to use WordPress optimized hosting plans that you can avail at WP Themes website. All the links had been given in the video description. Right, so we can go to the theme page just to check the details further. And this is Goyoto along with the default theme. I am using version 1.0.6, and you have to use the latest version that you can only buy at themeforest.net through the video description link. The theme costs $29, and in this $29 you are going to get quality checked by Envato, the future updates, 6 months support from the theme developer, and the theme Zevier are the developers of this theme. They are lead author at themeforest.net, that is on Envato market. And once you purchase the theme through the link, you can join the iCreate program for free using this onboarding connect option, where you can get all the help regarding to your WordPress website on the live chat here. Right, so we can proceed further. Let us activate the theme, and once we activate the theme, we have to install certain plugins. Let us see which plugins are here. Very less number of plugins. That means we are going to get a stable website. So what Elementor is the website builder, page builder that has been used. One-click demo import for importing the demo content. This is for WP Travel Engine for complete booking system and all. Further, we have the Goyoto plugin and contact form 7 in bottom market, matching for WordPress. Okay, so these are 7 plugins that we can install here. So select all, select install, click on apply. It will take few seconds. Again, I wish to show you the exact time it is taking. around 10 seconds gone. So it also depends on the hosting and the internet speed that you are using. It cannot be equal for all installation, but yes, we need to install all these plugins. So as you can see, it hardly took 20 seconds for me in installing all 7 listed plugins, and all green marks can be seen here. So we can go to the plugin installer screen again, and this time we need to select all, select activate, click on apply. Okay, so all the installed plugins had been successfully activated. I will come back there to the dashboard and just welcome page of Elementor. Okay, great. So the you just one step away to complete WP travel engine booking activation now. So install plugins. Okay, all good. All seems to good. Travel engine. We can check it here. Never miss an important update. Okay, we can skip this, and we can create a tip visit our website. Okay, so it is done, and come back to the dashboard. And now I am taking another look of our website with the all plugins and the theme itself. So this is the basic look of website, which requires the demo content for making any target website like this. So we have 6+1 option, 6 more main home pages and 1 RTL with the Goyoto, and you can choose any of these layouts at pre-made website. So this is really wonderful. So it is amazing, and we have like insert, you can see the glimpse of the target website, and others are also coming soon. Right, we can proceed further for importing demo content, and I am looking for the option where we can find the demo import option. Okay, Goyoto is here. Okay, so under Goyoto menu, we can see the import demo data is here. And yes, so the important notice, I mean the recommendation or requirement we can see here. So all should be very clear, and you have to configure your hosting accordingly. And the secure connections is also here. So everything is fine, and we can choose our desired demo here. We have all the options, 8 options, 7+1, and I'm going with this first one. You have all the choices, so import the content that you need to have at your website. I'm choosing this one, import demo, and now continue on import. Import process may take 3 to 10 minutes. Okay, continue to import. So now the import process, demo import process is begin, and it may take 3 to 10 minutes as it had been mentioned. And to check the demo process, we can open the media library in another tab. And if we are getting images here, it means the demo import is going fine, and we just need to wait. And meanwhile, the demo import is going on, we can explore our target website. So this is the website that I have selected to import. So we have the call to action button, the video option, the tools, and this is booking engine. We can say the travel booking engine, location. So we can select the location, activity, select activity, and the tour type, and it can be searched. So this is a tour and travel booking engine basically that you can use. So yes, there is no data regarding this search, but yes, it works fine according to the data what has been stored in the background. So this is tour travel booking system. The destinations, top destinations can be shown here on the top, and get to know about the destinations. Some more options like download app option is here, and the famous photo gallery. The photo gallery is again an integral part of tour and travel website. Top destinations, again the packages, holiday packages, and something more, the feedbacks, and again the gallery sections, quick links. So it is a complete portal you can see. And if we talk about the internal pages, this is about us page, which is equally good. And for the we have the tours pages, Okay, so this is the tour listing page, and here the filtration is also here. So according to filtration, it can be filtered whether we have the grid view and list view, and the internal pages like destination one and the pricing plan page. So all the pages that we may need for creating a complete website is already available here. We just need to put our own data and we will be fine to launch our website. So this is the connect option. Okay, great. So everything is fine, and now I can check back here. So the demo import process is still going on. It is around 3 minutes that I spent on this screen, and I can refresh this page. How many images I have received? 165 media items, I mean images already imported, and the process is going on. So we can wait further. And I got this message around after 5 minutes. It simply says import complete, your import completed, and just one image remained saved. So it doesn't matters. And once I refresh this page to check the media items, 327 media items images was included in the demo. And I'm able to refresh this page now to check my new website. And I believe it is going to be amazing. And yes, it is. So this is my complete website, and I got all the remains, but there was no header. So this area was not visible when I completed my installation. So the fix was very simple. Just go to the page. Go to the page and hit the option edit page, not edit with Elementor. Just hit the option edit page, and here you need to set up a header which is already there in the demo. You just need to select the desired one, which header you want to show at the page, I mean on your selected home page. So this is the header control page options, and select the header style. It is header 1 and header 2, 3, 4, whatever you want to choose. So I have chosen the default header, and since it was a very first layout, so header 1 you can say. Now it is here, and okay. So if we can check the page, view page, option is here. I'm just checking other things. Okay. So we can go to the home page, and header will be visible. So all is good, and as I said, I got all the elements with all the feature that we expected with the demo, and now demo website is complete, and we can start putting our own data. So this is a very comprehensive theme for tour and travel website, because it has all the backend options that we may need for running a travel and tour booking website, right? So I'll show you all the options that I got in the backend. First of all, the Goyoto, the import demo data we have already used, and we have this theme documentation and theme support option. And templates is already here. In case if you want to edit the header and footer using Elementor, you can simply go with this. Like if I am using the header, just header, so we can simply edit the header elements like logo and all the displays, and that can be seen on the header. Like this is call to action button, and we can simply edit this content and all. So this is header 1 as header top button. This is the latest top options and all. So if you want to change the logo, you can do it from here. Simple. Yes. In the next options, I have the complete travel engine, which is the most important feature for this website, and you may need this. So you can create trips, and the tutorials are here. Themes can be selected, and there are many themes for travel booking engine. However, it is already integrated with the theme, so you just need to check the bookings and upcoming tours details and rest of details. Like you can check the bookings here. So what booking you have received. This is not for creating the tours. You can use, but by default the theme has options to create the trips. So I'll show you the trips in the next part. There is trips. So upcoming tours, the inquiries you can set here, the replies, the customers, and the coupons. And further we have this. This is complete travel booking engine system that you can directly use. Next is the trips, where you have to upload your own trips, how you want to proceed for running your travel and tour website. So you can create the destinations and the tours here. It is very easy to edit, and you can even choose the Elementor page builder for editing these all details. You have to enable the uh, Elementor here in case if you want to use the Elementor, like this is for tips. So I'll show you how you can enable the Elementor. Go to the dashboard and Elementor and the settings, and here you can choose the trips to enable the Elementor on the trips area as well. So we can refresh this page. Now Elementor page builder will be available for editing the trips part, throughout the trips part. And yes, you can edit the details using the Elementor options. It is now more convenient to edit the details. uh, Following the same pattern, you can upload your own trips, and you can start customizing your website. Like this is the style 1, 2, 3 is also here. If you want to change the style for editing the trips, so you have options to change. And further, we have next settings, like we can go for the rest part of the customization. The trips are here. The analytics you can check here. It is again a part of a travel engine, so you can check the trips. So all the stats can be seen here. What you have on, what destinations are here, and the overview. So like this is analytics engine for your tour and travel website. In the Goyoto option, this is theme options, where you are going to edit the most of the part, the most basic part of the website, like header. You can select here. You can select header styles, the default logo styles. The general settings are here, like you can change the preloaders, enable preloader, or scroll up, hide and show options, typography, e-commerce options, breadcrumb, blog and color control, the footer options, and the backup export. So these are the basic settings that you have to do at the very first time when you are launching your website. Next, I can see nothing is a special. All are very common things as in general WordPress website. But yes, for editing the content at the front end of your website, you can simply edit the content using the Elementor options. Like this is our website, and when we start editing the content, just open the page that you want to edit, go to the header and footer respective that you are using, and if you are willing to change the main content, simply hit edit with Elementor. What you have to keep in mind, just use the same dimension of image and same length of text content, so that you may maintain the design integrity of the website. Like you can simply edit the hero images, the shape images, what had been used in the hero area. Further, you have text to edit, so these are the text. All are simple, but yes, you have to uh, take care so that you may maintain the design and aesthetic of your website. All is going to be super fine, and you can simply launch your tour and travel website. But there is another advantage with iCreate program that you can always choose. Don't make your website at your own. However, it is very simple to make, and you can launch your website at your own. And I said you don't need any developer attention. But yes, for more convenient, you can join the iCreate program here directly for free. Yes, of course, free. And we are going to give you a website, using this theme, and you can start updating your content there. And just in case, you can explore the options, how you want to proceed, and the live chat and the plans are also here, so you can explore all these things. Yes, for buying the theme, of course you need to buy this theme. You need to spend the $29. Further, you need to spend some bucks, some dollars on the hosting plans. But yes, under $100 you are going to complete all these things, and you can launch your website. As I can calculate, these things depends on your choices, how you are using the premium things. But yes, under $100 it is going to be fine. And in case if you have any further question regarding this theme or WordPress website, simply write in the comment section, and it is good idea to start a live chat directly here from a mentor who can answer your question in a better way. So in the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.